Hey everybody, it's your buddy Chris here, and just want to see how you're all doing. Hope you're having a good week. I am slowly getting back to the reality of being at work. Video for today, it doesn't have a proper intro. This video tonight, which is something I'd always wanted to do, and that was to watch the fireworks from the beach at the Polynesian resort. I mean, even as a kid, I remember seeing the Polynesian and like, wow, like, I hope I could stay there someday. Anyways, always wanted to stay there. First time we stayed there is one of the things I wanted to do, and but unfortunately, you know, I've got my daughter, I have my wife. They wanted to take the monorail and go see the fireworks in the Magic Kingdom. I understand, yes, that was back when it was wishes. So we said, okay. I said, I won't worry about it. I'm not gonna get upset about that. There's other opportunities. So here's how this night went. We get on the monorail. Monorail is basically at the Grand Floridian, and it breaks down. And I'm like, you know, I'm one of these guys who makes a plan and like to try to stick to it and try to, you know, we always have a short amount of time, and Disney World is so huge. How do you do everything? You can't. So you pick your things and then you try to really do them. And this thing, that just sucked, because so here we are in the monorail, and I'm like, well, no, we've got to bail. So I said, let's get out here. We'll just zip down to the boats at the Grand Floridian, and we'll just be there. Like, it'll all work out. So of course we go down there, and they only have the smaller boats. They're so awesome. And there's a huge line, and we ended up standing there in line for the ferry. And I remember watching the monorail go, and then by the time we were going, we missed the whole fireworks. Through all of this, I was so upset. So fast forward for a few years, and now we come back to this vacation in 2018, and again, you know, even though it's just Charmaine and I, and we are doing our best to sort of take it easy, like having a slower itinerary. Well, on this night, we went to Epcot, had a fantastic day, wandered around Epcot, no plan whatsoever, except that we had dinner. Dinner was booked at Via Napoli, and that was one of my videos from just last video, I think. Anyways, it's in this playlist. And the dinner just took a little bit longer than I thought, and we're leaving dinner, and I went, oh my God, like, we gotta go, like, we gotta get to the we have to get on the monorail. We gotta run if we're gonna make to the fireworks to start, well, to be on the beach. So that's what this video is. Anyways, here is our short video of running late and watching the fireworks from the beach, Polynesian. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel you're burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broke. chemistry. Heart beats a line, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no. I'm having a reaction, oh. I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no. You're having a reaction, oh. I can feel I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. I'm fire, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 'cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. I'm fire, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 fire. You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now, left me on the ground. This is it, I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize playing with the fire. Saying words ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to